Roasting squash, a delicious journey in cooking and language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, roasted squash. Not only will we learn about what it means in the kitchen, but we'll also dive into the language aspects that make this phrase interesting for English learners. So, let's get started. Roasted squash refers to a cooking method and a type of vegetable. Squash is a versatile vegetable, and when we say it's roasted, we mean it's cooked in an oven using dry heat. This method enhances the squash's natural sweetness and gives it a delightful, slightly crispy texture. For English learners, understanding such phrases helps in both daily conversation and culinary contexts. Roasted. This word is the past participle of roast, which means to cook with dry heat in an oven or over an open fire. It's a common cooking term. Squash. This is a type of vegetable, often categorized into summer and winter varieties, each with distinct tastes and textures. 1. I prepared roasted squash for dinner last night, and it was delicious. 2. Could you share the recipe for the roasted butternut squash? 3. We're learning how to make roasted acorn squash in our cooking class. Roasted squash is a popular dish in many cultures, especially during autumn and winter. It's known for its health benefits and versatility in recipes. Understanding such phrases can enhance your English vocabulary, particularly if you're interested in cooking or cultural cuisine. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, roasted squash, and added a tasty bit of knowledge to your English language learning journey. Remember, exploring language through the lens of food can be both fun and educational. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.